Alright, we are here to unbox our Star Wars Smugglers bounty. Let's see what we got.
There's all kinds of awesome mystery stuff inside of these.
What did we get today? Oh, well, my pin was bouncing around loose. Luckily it didn't fall out. Looks like we got a battle droid pin. We got a C-3PO patch.
Awesome.
Let's see what's inside.
I can't see. An awesome t-shirt or crop.
Looks like we got R5D4. What do you think of that?
Awesome.
We got C-3PO with his wires exposed. And let's see what the shirt looks like.
Sounds like it's going to be a droid.
Yeah, how did we get the R2-D2 box had C-3PO in it? And for the shirt, what's it look like? Oh, it's got R2 and BB-8. That is cool, completing the map from the end of The Force Awakens. And that is all for this unboxing.